1,000 eyes in every flame. She said the truth is just a mirror, but you'll never look the same. The wax stripped like morning veils. Her hands were cold as fate. She smiled and turned the crystal ball. Are you ready to tempt your fate? I saw your face in mercury glass, dancing with ghosts that hadn't yet passed. She whispered, time is just a trick. Are you sure you want it back? Crystal ball, show me lies wrapped in gold. Whisper futures I can't hold. Pay me lovers that never stay. Promise me night won't fade today. Oh, I believed you, darling doom. I let you bloom in every room. Now I sleep beneath your call, trapped inside my crystal ball. She said, every seer goes blind in time, but the blindness feels like grace. I beg to see what you would choose. I should have run, I should have braced. The ball spun tails in noble tones, your name etched in a fire's breath. But knowledge is a poison kiss, and I drank it straight to death. I touched the smoke, I watched it bleed. Truth half wrapped in fantasy. She laughed, darling, prophecy only feeds the ones who feed. Crystal ball, show me lies wrapped in gold. Whisper futures I can't hold. Paint me lovers that never stay. Promise me night won't fade today. Oh, I believed your darling doom. I let you bloom in every room. Now I sleep beneath your call, trapped inside my crystal ball. The stars we begged are long since burned. The wheels of fate have never turned. She said, it's not the end you fear, it's knowing it was always near. Crystal ball, you lovely fraud. Tell me again he'd beat the odds. Kiss my doubts with silver breath. Croon me softly into death. Oh, I believed, I swore I fell. Swallowed every cursed spell. Now I'm just a shadow on your wall, forever in your crystal ball.
Thomas, was schauen wir fertig? Du musst die fix halten.
season of spring, yang rises. The sun crowns the sky with eternal fire. Earth is the throne, firm and unshaken, and the dragon ascends, celestial. Celestial fire, the dragon reigns, blazing the stars with endless flame. Sun in the heavens, earth as the throne, majesty eternal, the dragon alone. Hyacinths bloom where embers fall, a myth reborn to answer the call. Bold ambition, destiny's flame, power and glory forever proclaimed. From golden dawn to endless night, the dragon soars with fearless might. Through cosmic storms, the path is clear. A legend's voice, the stars reveal. Yang, the blazing crown, the sun, the eternal light. Earth, the throne of power. Fire, the dragon's might. Together, they ascend.